we'll do now is we take a fork and we make holes. The reason we make those holes is because we don't want air bags in the dough. We don't want part of the dough to rise, and this prevents it from doing it. Now we're going to put the tray on it and flop the whole thing over. If you don't have these kind of trays and you want to use your regular trays, just make sure you wash it good before you do it, or you can do it with a baking paper to do on top. I'm gonna just, as you can see, I do a little bit folding on the sides, and I'm gonna do a little bit more holes on the dough. Now this is one layer of phyllo dough. As I mentioned, the cake is 3 layers, so we need the other dough, the other part of the dough, to do the same thing. We're going to roll it, put it on top of the same size of tray that we put the first one, and the same size of tray we have the nut cake inside, baking inside now. The phyllo dough takes about 10 minutes to be baked. It needs a very high 400 degrees Fahrenheit to be baked in. It's a quick bake on a high temperature.